Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll show you how to utilize two key properties in the accounts payable details story. They are void reason code and voided check date. This will allow you to view why your checks are voided and what date it happened. That way, you can begin taking action from the accounts payable details story. Let's begin. First, we'll go to the Catalog tab, search for the accounts payable details story, and click on Open. In the prompt screen, we'll input or change any data here that we need. If you know your check number, you could insert it over here by the check number field. In this case scenario, we'll change the field to an equal sign and paste our check number to see the data specifically for that check. When everything looks good, click on Set to load the data. Now, we can see our check number here, but no other details about our check. So, we'll right-click on the header, go to Show or Hide, and select Properties. We'll select Void Reason Code Long Text and Voided Check Date Display key here. Then, we'll select OK. If we look closely, we can now see the reason it was voided, which is because it was a duplicate, and the date that it was voided as well. This can be done for all other check numbers as well. Just go back to the prompt screen and input a different check number into this field. When the data loads, you'll be able to see the details for that check since you added the void reason code and voided check date key from properties earlier. Feel free to utilize this tip to see the details for all of your checks. Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.